Hey boys and girls, happy Friday and welcome to ELA for the day. Last week and this week, we have been really identifying author's point of view. We have been doing this by pulling details from the text and really using text evidence to determine what does the author think about a topic, how does he feel about a topic, and we've been pulling out details based on what the author says, does, thinks, and so forth. So today, we're going to continue with author's point of view. I have 10 author's point of view task cards that you are going to be reading. As you are reading these short little passages, you are going to determine what you think the author's point of view is as you are reading. So remember, boys and girls, as we do author's point of view, we need to be asking ourselves, what does the author feel about a topic? Does he or she have a positive feel about this topic, a negative feel about this topic? How does he think or feel? Just like you and I, the author has an opinion or a point of view. So I have 10 task cards that you are going to be determining that look a little something like this. And Mrs. Davis is going to go ahead and give you an example of how to do this. And then you are going to go through and do your own by reading each task card and determining the author's point of view. So let me give you an example of what I expect you to do, and then you will be able to identify your own author's point of view. Now, I'm going to post this on Schoology as a Schoology assignment. So you can answer one of two ways, via Schoology assignment, or you can pause this video as I show you the different task cards and you can number your paper 1 through 10 and write the sentences out. It's completely up to you. But here's how this is going to go. You are going to get a short passage and you are going to read the short passage. You are going to pull details from that short passage to help you determine the author's point of view. So go ahead and watch Mrs. Davis model this so you know exactly what to do. Is it fair for each child on a sports team to get a trophy? Recently, it seems as if kids are getting trophies just for showing up to the game. Instead of working hard and being dedicated, every kid on every team is getting a trophy, and they aren't earning them. Trophies and medals are losing their meaning when every team within a sports league is receiving one. Kids do not earn honor roll just for having perfect attendance. Why should sports be any different? Okay, so I'm going to come over here, and I am going to pull apart details from the text to help me determine the author's point of view. So the first thing I see, boys and girls, is it says, recently it just seems as if kids are getting trophies for just showing up instead of working hard. So that is one clue, instead of working hard. That is one clue that lets me kind of think about how the author is thinking. Another piece of evidence, it says, every kid on every team is getting a trophy, and they aren't earning them. Kids are not earning trophies. I also see that, let's see, instead of working hard and being dedicated, every kid, okay, we already said that, they aren't earning them. Trophies and medals are losing their meaning. And then he goes to tell us that kids do not earn honor roll just for having perfect attendance. Why should sports be any different? So this leads me to believe that the author thinks that kids need to earn a trophy. They need to work hard, they need to be dedicated, and that not everybody should earn a trophy. So I think, based on the reading passage, the author believes that students and kids should work hard and be dedicated to earn a trophy or medal. So this is right here what I think my author believes about receiving a trophy. Why do I think that? Because in the text he used, instead of working hard, kids are not earning trophies, trophies and medals are losing their values. So based on my text evidence, I think that the author believes students and kids should work hard and be dedicated to earn a trophy or medal. This right here is my author's point of view. Okay, you are going to be doing the same thing. Now, I will pause the video so you can read each one and you can read it from here, or I will also post these on Schoology for author's point of view assignments. So you will have passage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alrighty. Now, I would suggest, so I can easily see it and submit it, to do this on Schoology. If you have any questions, please let me know. But remember, you must pull out key details to help determine what the author believes about a topic. You guys have been doing so good at this last week and this week that I know you're going to have no problem. But really enjoy it. And I want to know what you also think about this at some point in time. Okay, so tell me what the author believes and maybe tell me what you believe about the topic as well. I would like to hear both. All right, have a wonderful Friday, and I cannot wait to see your work, boys and girls. Bye. Have a good weekend.